Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to SaskTel Center, your home for Saskatoon Blizzard hockey, presented by SaskTel. This is Game 1 of semifinal number 2 between the Atlanta Thrashers and your Saskatoon Blizzard. Starting lineup for Atlanta. At left wing, number 9, Evander Kane. Number 53, Jeff Skinner. Number 69, Marian Hossa. And number 29, Jake Ottinger. The head coach for the Thrashers is Claude Knoll. By the way, I'm no longer doing the subs. It just takes way too long.
Like this.
And now the starting lineup for your Saskatoon Blizzard. At left wing, number 72, Patrick Hornquist. At right wing, number 19, Shane Doan. At center, number 22, Wade Megan. And in goal, number 79, Carter Hard. And the head coach for the Blizzard is Brett Hall. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise, remove all hats, and join us in the presentation of the national anthems. First, the American national anthem. And now, please welcome the Saskatoon Symphony Orchestra for the presentation of O Canada. Thank you, and enjoy the game. Who's ready for some playoff hockey, huh? Fans here in Saskatoon pumped up. Their first game of the postseason. I think this isn't as much of a pumped up environment as Kansas City. They're very passionate. We had the Symphony Orchestra playing the Canadian national anthem, O Canada, underway. Shot! Oh, it's too high. I thought it was in. And that's a miss. Little fake there. Rebound. Oh, he missed the net. Carter Hart gone down. He had a wide open net there. Turned it over. Almost in. Some more close calls. Jake Ottinger got the start for Atlanta. And now he fires one. Jeff Skinner, very weak shot. Almost in. Carter Hart makes a good play to keep it out of harm's way. And now a little bounce. Gets it up and a shot. Bad shot. Rebound missed. And Carter Hart keeps it away again. Another turnover. Picked up. Here's a shot. Stop. It is not on the line. Great save by Carter Hart. We'll see if we have another super hot goaltender. And by super hot, I mean makes every save in the world. Feel like that should have been an offside there. They didn't call it. And now here's a shot. No. Turned it over. Rebound missed the net. Had turned it over and a save made. Jeff Skinner hits the side of the net. And now trying to put it around. Turns it over. A little one-timer there from Doan. Doesn't go in. Another turnover. Doan. Hornquist shoots. Scored. Pumped up. Blizzard lead 1-0. Didn't take as long to get the first goal today. So this tells me it could be a higher scoring game than last time. 5-3 was the final score last night in Kansas City. Just a minute into the game. There was a minute and 47, I mean. Here's a shot. Good save by Jake Ottinger. Across. Stop made. So for the second straight game, the home... Actually, I think this might be the third straight game where the home team has opened up the scoring. Here's the face-off into the net and Morlock. I don't know what it is about lucky goals tying up games, but that has been the pretty much the verdict. A lucky goal will tie up the game, and that's just happened here. And that goes out on him. It was supposed to be a pass across to Evander Kane, but it hits a patch of uneven ice. Hits a patch of bad ice. Goes out on him. A little weak shot there, and save and an offside against Megan. Knocked his own guy off. That's something you just cannot do in the postseason. You know, it's a best-of-3 series, and if you lose game 1, it's really hard to bounce back. Just throwing that out there. So we'll see if the Thunder can bounce back in game 2, because, you know, all odds against them. They have to win 2, and the Surge just need to win 1 as the puck once again goes under the bed. I think what I'm going to do from now on is use my violin to block it so pucks don't go underneath. There we go. That should do it. So this side is now blocked. Pucks will not go under. So we've got a 1-1 tie here immediately. It took a while to get 2 goals in the last game. This game didn't take as long. Little shot, missed the net. Rebound. Oh, Carter Hart kind of flopping around. Now he makes the save. Had turned it over. Another save by Carter Hart. Patrick Hornquist in the back. Hits it off the side of his own net. Trying it again. What a bounce and a blocked off. And now the Thrashers control it again. Skinner. Here's Kane. Shot by Hossa and a save is made. Turning around. Wide open net and he scores. Jake Ottinger had it. He actually had the save, but then he dropped it. And where did he drop it? Into his net. So we have a 2-1 game immediately. The draw in the corner, across, Doan. Another great bounce off the boards. I don't know what it is about the Blizzard and plays off the boards. They've made some good plays off the boards. Teams have been doing that a lot. That goes out of bounds too, and way over there, of course. I don't know why pucks always manage to go super far. I couldn't tell where that one went out. I think it went out in this end here. 1:13 to go, period number 1. 2-1. This one will probably be higher scoring. That almost went in. Little trying to bounce it off, but the Thrashers aren't as good at boards plays as the Blizzard are. That's a bad miss there, and a good save by Jake Ottinger. Now some back and forth passing. Jeff Skinner shoots it. No. Jake Ottinger gets back up. And another nice play off the boards, but Jake Ottinger makes a good save. Now shot stopped. Rebound blocked. Across to Evander Kane. A bad miss. Picked up by Hornquist. Fires a shot. No good. Now Skinner comes back with one of his own. Kane and another save by Carter Hart. Across the crease again. Shot saved. Rebound. Own guy offside, and they're going to get a penalty for that. I don't know what it is about left wingers and penalties, but it's happened here. Patrick Hornquist, you're headed to the box, buddy. Made contact with Skinner, and they're going to be shorthanded for the rest of the period or until the Thrashers score. And now, the draw in the corner here, across. Oh, it's turned over, and a shot bad. And now he misses this. 30 seconds left, and turned over, and a shot. They score on the power play. So they make him pay for the turnover, and we've got a 2-2 tie as Carter Hart just could not get back. That was a great shot from Evander Kane. Immediately took advantage of the turnover by Carter Hart. After he went down, he shot it up immediately. That's a huge goal to get at the end of the period, and he goes offside. Like I was saying, that is a huge goal to get at the end of the period to kind of curtail the momentum of the Blizzard, who had the lead before. And now Evander Kane did not make a play off the boards. He made a play off of bad ice. Another penalty! So the Blizzard have taken 2 penalties. And now we're going to see Shane Doan in the penalty box. Saskatoon penalty number 19. 1 minute for contact. Host is hurting a bit now. Starting to get physical in the Blizzard end. So that is the first non-left winger to take a penalty. 15 seconds left. Here's the draw. Up ahead, turns it over and a shot. No. We'll see if the Thrashers can take advantage here on the power play yet again. And now a shot saved there. Evander Kane fires. Stop is made. Blizzard turn it over. Kane across. Jeff Skinner shoots. Stop. Little quick shot. Oh, that almost went in. And Kane late shot. Period's over. So there were 15 seconds left. So the penalty still has 45 more seconds left on it. We'll be right back. So these two teams continuing their high scoring... I don't know what the word is anymore. They're high scoring... I don't even know the word anymore. It's playoff hockey. So here's the draw. In the corner, Blizzard on the PK for the second time. In less than a minute, turned it over. And it's Skinner hits the crossbar. Rebound, no, and a lot of shots coming from Atlanta, and they score on the power play. The second power play goal of the game for Atlanta. And once again, they make the Blizzard pay. So the Thrashers, just like that, take a 3-2 lead. (3-2). The net knocked the puck out. I don't get it. Here's the face-off coming up here. Across here is Hornquist. I mean, that's Stone. Turns it over, and they score again. Here we go again. So the road team's going to dominate in the second period, and then they'll win because of it. I don't get it. Jeff Skinner, I believe he has a hat trick now. Here's the draw. That almost bounces in. Turns it over. Oh, out of bounds goes Hornquist. So they're technically shorthanded for the third time. Across, turned over. Great save. What is the goaltender doing? And now they put it on the line. Thrashers get it. Here's a shot blocked off. He made a good block there, Wade Megan. Trying to keep his team in this game. Down by 2 right now. We had Megan. Another good save. Here is the pass over. Evander Kane shoots, a stop is made, bounces back, turns over again. I don't know what it is about the Blizzard and turnovers so far this game. Offside! Blizzard won an offside, don't get it. Turnover though, but Ottinger blocks it off. Gets it in front of the crease, little shot pass to Skinner. Bounces it off the board, here's a shot save. It is on the line again. And the Thrashers get it on the line battle, and Hart makes a good save, and finally, play stops. So Hornquist just flown out. So the Thrashers haven't taken a penalty yet, but they just went up 4-2 instantly, and I'm shocked they didn't take Carter Hart out of the game. Maybe if they give up another one, then Carter Hart will be thrown out. Well, not thrown out, just pulled out of the game by the Blizzard. There's a shot. Oh, out of bounds goes Kane! And now trying to make a good play off the boards, but they turn it over, and he just missed. He missed by about an inch. Up ahead. He shoots, a stop is made. Here is Megan across. And a shot by Doan. That almost went in their own. I think it hit the post. Across to Patrick Hornquist. Trying to play it off the boards, but it was bad. Oh, another good save by Jake Ottinger off the post there. A lot of back and forth play from both teams so far. Halfway through the period, and he goes offside, and that ends the play. And he's way over there. So we're seeing, this is quite a physical game. I mean, it's playoff hockey. It's going to be physical. It's going to be physical, John. Postseason, it's physical. All the freaking time, it's physical. So we're going to have a face-off here. Blizzard need 2 to tie up this hockey game. Across. Here's a shot, missed the net. Almost in, and Hart makes a good play to keep it out. I've had good save again for Ottinger. And he's making all the saves in the world right now. And that took a deflection and missed. Here's Hornquist. Shot, no. Thrasher's going to slow it down before they turn it over to Doan, and he missed it. Up ahead. Here's a shot. Save is made. Evander Kane rebound stopped. Now they bounce it out. Turns it over. Bounce pass. And now, and a save again. Cross. Doan hits the side, and Carter Hart goes backwards. He's lucky that didn't have enough to go in. And now Wade Megan shoots, blocked. Rebound stopped. And it is on the line again. Thrashers get it. Never mind. It goes out. Still 4-2 Atlanta. Who's going to get the next goal? Here's the face-off. Shot blocked by his own teammate, I think. No, it's Hossa. And now Jeff Skinner trying for his 3rd goal of the period. Not on the line. Oh, just bounced over the net on him. And oh, he missed it. Hart went sliding out and a save is made. And I can't stop the clock. How did I miss 3 times? The Blizzard need 2. Teams struggle from that side of the ice. I don't know why. Here's the draw off the glass. That's a miss. They're getting a lot of high shots off right now. Jeff Skinner gets the turnover. Send out Hornquist over the net. Man, it's been a bad period for the Blizzard. Haven't been able to get anything across the line. They're seeing if they can do just that right now. I don't know what it is. They just can't get anything over the line. Thrashers have it here. Bounce it, and a shot. Good save. So, once again, they got to win this draw. Maybe get a quick shot off and mess up Ottinger. Here's the draw. A quick shot did not mess up Ottinger one bit. And the Thrashers are going quick as well. It is not on the line. Thrashers get it. Offside. So the Blizzard here are going to get a face-off in their end of neutral ice. They get it here. Shane Doan shoots. Weak shot again. Thrashers have it. Little back pass. Jeff Skinner fires a stop. And oh, there goes Hornquist again and not in. How did that not go in? Turned over and that's it. So Hornquist flies out twice in this period. He's hurting quite a bit. Period is over. 4-2 Atlanta. Alright, the Blizzard have made a sub. They're having Alex Edler go in for Shane Doan. They're going to see if this is the boost they need to come back. They're putting him in. Thrashers keep the same lineup. Back underway. Thrashers have it shot. Save and bait. Carter Hart knocks it into the back. Alex Edler. Oh, but he butchers the play off the boards. Up ahead here is Marian Hossa. Fakes it. Shot. Oh, just missed it. Patrick Hornquist fires one. Save is made. And I don't know what that was. Thrashers control it here. Up ahead. Save. Hart gets on top of that. Alex Edler skates up there. He scored! Alex Edler has made it a 1-goal game. We'll see if Alex Edler was the spark that the Blizzard need to come back. Another early goal. This is a very similar game to last night, except it got off to a higher scoring start. Good stop there. That's out of bounds. Horrible shot from Patrick Hornquist. That missed by a couple of miles. Now that was for the violin was for. It blocked it. And it sent it over there instead of under the bed. But yeah, Alex Edler may be the spark that the Blizzard need to come back. I've had a shot miss the net. Hornquist missed it. Came back to Edler. He fires in a stop. And a fake there. Across. Hossa has it. Turns around. Fires it. Goes into the net. And just like that, the Thrashers are back up by 2. And it's 5-3. Is it going to be another road win? We've had like 8. We've had 3 straight road wins. We can't have another one. 5-3. Quick shot save goes to Atlanta. Another one-shot possession. Here's a shot bounces over. Here's Carter Hart. Up ahead to Alex Edler. Alex Edler turns and hits the crossbar. How does that one not go in? He had a couple of similar shots. Turned it over. Bad shot on the line. Thrashers get it again. How many line battles have there been that the Thrashers won? And now here's Alex Edler across. Hornquist almost went in. Gets it back, however, in a shot. No, Alex Edler rebound. Bad shot. Here's Marian Hossa. Stop. Quick shot again. Another one-shot possession. Blizzard need 2. On the line. Thrashers win the line battle again. Turned it over. Out of bounds again. Ottinger has just been red hot. Blizzard need 2 in 1:34. They've done it before, so I think it's very much possible. Turned over, they score! So now it is very much possible. A turnover by Skinner. Patrick Hornquist takes advantage and puts a ripper past Jake Ottinger, and just like that, it's a 1-goal game again. Now the draw, shot off the uneven ice, rebound, missed. So do the Blizzard take their time out? I think it's too much time. They don't want to take it. Or do they? It's too much time. You don't want to take it. They're not taking the time out and it goes in. So it looks like more luck is going to decide the game. So Atlanta's right back up by 2. Every time the Blizzard try and meet the bar, the Thrashers just set it higher. So now it's going to become the highest scoring period if they want to come back. They turn it over and a shot. No, rebound. What a save by Ottinger. He got back in time to stop Alex Edler. And all ahead, it's on the line. And the Thrashers get the line battle again. Here's Edler and a shot, no. Goaltender gets it out. Patrick Hornquist turns it over and a shot, no. They're trying for insurance. Off the crossbar. And it goes out. They need 2 in 1:05. I think it's very much possible. They need 2 in 1:05 seconds. This isn't as much of a playoff-esque game. And another face-off win. They're killing off time now. Goaltender shoots out of bounds. The Thrashers seem to be winning every face-off and line battle. They're winning them all. Here's the draw. Blizzard get it. Oh, he hit the goalpost. Rebound sent up and over. 55 seconds. So they need 2 in 55. 6-4 right now. Here's the draw. And it goes to Atlanta again before they turn it over. Edler out of bounds. Ottinger has just been excellent. They need 2 in 50 seconds. Draw goes to the Blizzard for once. Into the corner. Hornquist trying to be careful, but then he turns it over. Fans are leaving now. Here's a shot. No. Here is Alex Edler. Fires one, a save, and it goes to Atlanta. And now fires one, missed it. Atlanta's trying for their first postseason win. Can they get it? Blocked off. And that's pretty much going to do it. Now a shot, no. And a good save again for Ottinger. I don't know what it is. Now here's a shot blocked off. It goes in. It is 6-5. Do they want to take their timeout? Timeout taken. 13 seconds left. I think they waited way too long to take the timeout. So the puck went into their own net. So like you said, I think the Blizzard waited way too long to take the timeout. It is 6-5 now. But the question is, can they finish off this comeback? That was a quick meeting. I'm surprised they didn't take Carter out of the game after that 4-2 goal. But he was actually pretty good for the rest of the period. They need this 6th goal. Can they get it? Still in timeout mode right now. Man, remember, this is game 1 of a 3-game series. And that's it. 6-5. Can they get that last goal? They win the draw. Goalie's gone immediately. So now you got Patrick Sharp out there. Pass back. Alex Edler, blast one. Almost went in their own net. Rebound sent over. And so you want to put the goaltender back in, but there's 4 seconds left. There is only 4 seconds, so that is not enough time to make anything happen if the Thrashers win this draw. You got to try and win this face-off here. Here it is. That's it. Thrashers get it, and that's it. So 2 road wins to begin the postseason. The Thrashers take game 1 of this best-of-3 series 6-5 over the Saskatoon Blizzard. Blizzard make it interesting in the end. However, once again, it's not enough. If that 6-4 goal didn't go in, who knows? They shouldn't have scored 6-4. I think both teams should have scored 5 or 4. Both teams should have scored 4 goals, but luck was just on the Thrashers' side, and both low seeds win the first couple games. A 2 seed has never made the championship in LHL. AAA they have. But the Thrashers take out the Blizzard. The Blizzard made the championship in 2018, but now their hopes are kind of on the brink. See you guys.